nothing in it. I'm just playing. I'm going to do this, and it's mixing up. I'm putting it up to 5 because 5 is my lucky number. Now it's done. Now I'm going to take this and put this in the oven. What do we get? Nothing?